Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you an easy way on how you can open Payoneer account. So first, start off by opening any browser you have and type pioneer.com. Click register on the upper right beside sign in. It's up to you what type of Pioneer account you want to create for your business needs. Since I'm guiding on how to create Pioneer account, I will just choose other digital business and choose get full power of Pioneer and choose 10,000 to 20,000 for my monthly volume. Click register and fill up the forms that needed to be filled and check all the boxes in the final form and click submit. Once registered, keep an eye on update of your email since they will review your Pioneer account. When your account is on live, sign in, do the two-step verification, and then there you have it. You have your own Pioneer account.